compete, you send it, right? To me, this looks like a meal truck.
Use discount code JacobVile when you shop.
Your man must think it's safe for you to travel that way. And I don't want to violate your relationship, so I lay back in the trunk with the crush. That's a trick. It seems to be enough to satisfy your needs, but there's a deeper level.
I noticed you had like a theme on the vehicle.
Yeah.
What's the theme? Is it?
Well, when you go to the lanes to compete, you send it, right?
There you go.
So
yeah, there
to me, this looks like a mailbox or meal truck.
Meal truck. Yeah, it does. It does. I agree. Very nice. I was curious on that. Anyway, your name and what's in here, man?
It's Charles. I've got two Nightshade 18s, Sundown Audio. I've got Salt 12 and two Salt 500.4s. All my electronics are run with Spark Innovation switches. Run unlimited lithium 12Ks and Retro 56.
Okay.
The Alpine Halo 11. And yeah, that's it.
Did you build this?
I did.
Very nice.
I did. Doubled up here.
Oh, it's solid.
3/4. Double baffled.
Yeah. Do you know the specs on the enclosure? Tuning or cubic space?
It's tuned to 39 hertz, 14 cubes.
Okay. Nice. And I noticed you have kind of a chamfer back, so you have your seat room, so it's not right at the pillar.
This car's functional. I drive it all over the place all the time.
You do? Okay.
You know, this isn't just a show car. It's a daily.
Okay. Very nice. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear. Thanks for the info, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate it. All right.
Relax. When I puff on me, I got some bucks on me, but it ain't going to school with a Taylor on my head. Waiting on the 18s and skis and
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.